The F-22 you will see today is an unmodified and fully combat-capable aircraft. While we can't show you everything that makes the Air Force's F-22 Raptor the most lethal fighter combat aircraft in the world, we will show you its raw power and thrust-vectoring maneuverability as it executes maneuvers that no other combat-ready fighter aircraft in the world can perform. The firepower of the Raptor comes in any combination of 8 missiles and 2 1,000-pound precision satellite-guided bombs. The F-22 also brandishes an internal cannon capable of firing 6,000 rounds of 20mm ammunition per minute. It is a true first look, first shot, first kill weapon system. The Raptor plays a vital role in the defense of this nation and represents your Air Force's dedication to aim high, fly, fight, and win, ensuring our ability to meet any challenge, anytime, under any conditions, anywhere in the world. As today's demonstration begins from the right, you will see the Raptor execute a maximum power takeoff, producing 70,000 pounds of thrust from its 2 powerful F-119 engines. The Raptor will virtually leap off the runway in an amazing 1,000 feet. At a safe altitude, Major Shantz will quickly loop the aircraft, reversing his flight path and then roll while diving straight down. So now it is time to stand up, move forward, and get ready. The show is about to begin. Ladies and gentlemen, I present to you your United States Air Force's F-22 Raptor. With a minimum radius horizontal turn and then power straight up into the vertical.